Hey, I'm Moody, and I'm a bus technician here at the activity bus shop. We've got about 140 activity buses that we maintain. If a bus has a problem, we're on call 24/7. We go through what's called an annual maintenance every year to make sure that, we go through it with a fine-tooth comb. We go from bumper to bumper. We're checking the brakes. My favorite part is getting the satisfaction from knowing that I repaired a bus the safest possible way. Just getting to see the kids getting on the bus and knowing for a fact that it's as safe as it could possibly be. Our safety is at heart, and we do everything we can to make sure that we maintain these buses to a certain level that we know that it is as best as it could be. And we got the most precious cargo on the road. Even if I pass a bus that I haven't worked on, I know that if it's one of our vehicles, we've done everything we can do to make it as safe as possible. We have a really big job to do. I get to go home at the end of the day knowing that I've made a positive impact on a lot of children's lives. The bus drivers, the teachers, all the school facility workers and everything, man. It really is a blessing to be able to know I'm a part of a really good team to do it with, and I'm real grateful to be a part of this team.